tourist ng Berla doon na to. O, see, done na ang rain.
No more. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone.
Ay, perfect.
Diba yan?
Day. Remember, nag-walk lang tayo. Good luck.
Ito lang bakit?
Good luck. Ang daming vlogger kahapon sa Taste.
Truth. Oh, see?
Taste.
You're just like everybody else.
Dito mas... Kasi nandito ako. Sabihin mo.
Ha? Oo, yeah.
Sabihin mo.
Gustuhan ko ang kanyang appearance.
Girl, cute.
Perfect!
Let's
Perfect
go.
shot. Oh!
Ay, wait lang. Super. Galing ka talaga ng picture. Meron like mga ano dito?
We're just walk.
Be perfect.
My head.
Pop video. Say hi to my vlog. Ay, na.
Talaga, I love it so much. Kaso hindi natin maaabutan.
Beep. Me?
Ay, akala mo naman.
So sad.
Lagyan mo ng captions. Ay, so sad.
This is what I'm doing.
We can walk along the beach naman.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Perfect.